I'm Greg Coffey of Friedman Law Offices in Lincoln, Nebraska. Thanks for visiting our blog. A lot of times we have to turn down premises liability cases, which are sometimes known as trip and fall or slip and fall cases, because people make some common mistakes at the outset of their case right away when they're hurt. If you call our office after you've been injured while on someone else's property, one of the first things I'll ask you is whether you made sure that there was a written report of the incident filed with the business where you were hurt. You want to make sure that they can't try to argue that the incident never occurred, which they'll try to do if you don't make sure a report of the injury was filed at the time that it happened. Another thing I'll want to know is whether you talked to any of the employees of the business at the time that you fell to find out whether they knew that the condition was there when you were hurt. If there was a spill in aisle 5, for example, and you slipped in that spill and were injured, did you talk to any of the employees to see if they knew about it ahead of time? One of the elements that you have to prove is that the condition was something that the landowner should have been able to discover and correct before you were hurt. And so it's helpful to know if you talk to employees who admitted that they were aware that there was a problem, a spill or some other condition. Finally, I'll want to know if you took any photographs, particularly if your injury took place outside. Oftentimes after the incident has occurred, the landowner will change the condition where you fell so that vital information about what it looked like will vanish. If you take photographs, make sure that you do so from lots of different angles and distances so that a lawyer reviewing your claim can get a good idea of what the condition looked like. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call Friedman Law Offices at 800-876-1093. There's never a charge to find out if we can help you. And feel free to leave a comment here on our blog and use the share button if you know someone who might benefit from the information. Thanks for logging on.